I've been running Faceless YouTube channels for the past 4 years and built a six-figure media business while still holding down a 9 to 5. I've watched every shift in this industry from the inside, and what I just discovered will completely change the way you think about starting a YouTube channel right now. Most creators are still grinding in the same demonetization heavy lanes YouTube spent the last year wiping out: AI story compilations, mass produced religious content, AI true crime, AI political satire, template factory formats that no longer work. Meanwhile, a handful of creators are quietly building successful faceless brands in completely different spaces almost nobody is talking about. After analyzing more than 500 fast-growing faceless channels, every one of them launched after the demonetization wave hit earlier this year, I found something surprising. Over 90% of them share one thing in common. They're not making videos about AI. They're using AI to dominate niches you'd never associate with AI in the first place. So if you're ready to stop chasing the same crowded, demonetization risky lanes and start building something that actually lasts, here are the only 6 faceless AI niches worth starting right now, and the exact rules I follow to keep every video monetized. Let's start with the niche most creators look at and immediately walk away from. AI tutorial channels everywhere. People teaching Higgsfield, Cdance 2, Nano Banana Pro, channels like Creating with Connor with over 270,000 subscribers, and Isador's AI with nearly 60,000 have proven the format works beautifully. But that creative AI lane is now saturated, and the room for new channels is just about gone. What almost nobody is touching is the other side of AI tutorials: productivity AI. Channels teaching people how to actually get work done with tools like Notebook LM, Gemini, AI agents, and automation. And the wildest part? The creators leading this lane aren't even filmed by humans. They're hosted by realistic AI avatars, what people now call AI influencers. Take Parker prompts: no camera, no face, just a hyper-realistic AI host walking you through productivity workflows step by step. His channel exploded in just the past 4 to 6 months, going from a small audience to over 120,000 subscribers and 4 million total views in that window. And his single biggest video, a breakdown of free Google AI tools, pulled in 757,000 views all by itself. And here's something most people don't realize: productivity AI is one of the safest niches right now for monetization. No money claim risk, no demonetization wave coming. I personally operate in the AI space, so I'm telling you, from the inside, it's clean, sponsors love it, and the RPM is some of the highest on YouTube because you're attracting professionals who actually pay for tools. The real opportunity here is that anyone watching this can start. With Notebook LM or Claude for research, HeyGen or Synthesia for your AI host, 11 Labs for voice, OBS for screen recording, and CapCut for editing, you have everything you need. The key is to pick one workflow: Gemini for research, AI agents for sales, automation for the industry you already know, and teach it better than anyone else. Now let's move to a niche that's quietly producing some of the wildest growth stories on YouTube right now. This next one sounds impossible at first because finance on YouTube looks completely saturated. Everywhere you scroll, somebody's talking about money. But almost nobody noticed there's a brand new way of doing finance that looks nothing like the channels you already know, and it's pulling millions of views. It's finance as storytelling, channels that turn money and wealth into simple cinematic stories you can't stop watching, even when you didn't think you cared about any of it. Take Dark Ledger. They launched in March, just over 3 months ago, using clean 2D animation to break down how money actually works. In that time, with only 21 videos, they've grown to nearly 17,000 subscribers and almost 1.9 million total views. And one video alone on how banks treat you at every level of wealth pulled over 900,000 views by itself. And Crayon Capital is winning in the exact same lane. So this isn't a one-channel fluke. It's a format. And you know a format is working when the copycats show up. Within months of Dark Ledger's launch, a wave of clone channels appeared using their exact every level of money structure. That only happens when something truly hits. Now, if cinematic money stories aren't your thing, there's an even simpler way in. Go specific. Uncle John Financial built an audience around money for people over 40 heading into retirement. Canadian Finance, with Nathan made personal finance just for Canadians, both quietly crushing it. Because when you speak to one group, that group feels like you're talking only to them. And here's the part I love. Finance carries some of the highest RPMs on the whole platform because the audience is full of people actively making money decisions, premium advertisers, real demand from brokers and apps. You're never living on views alone. Best of all, it's light to make. Notebook LM or Claude for the research, Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 2 for the visuals, 11 Labs for the voice, CapCut for the edit. One person, one laptop, the whole thing. Now this next niche is my favorite kind of opportunity because it proves you can take a format that's already winning and point it at an audience nobody else is serving. Here's an idea that once you see it, you'll spot everywhere. You don't have to invent something new. You just take a format that's already exploding and aim it at people nobody's making it for. It's called niche bending. And fitness is the perfect example. Look at Yellow Dude. He turned calisthenics, bodyweight training, no gym, no equipment, into a stylized animated series. One video on training calisthenics pulled 2.7 million views. Another, on whether 30 minutes a day can really change your body, did 1.4 million. The format clearly works, but almost everyone copying it is making it for men. The women who want this exact style of training, nobody was speaking to them except one channel, Calisthenics with Lavender, took that proven format and rebuilt it entirely for women, and it's already catching. Her routine video every woman's gut is begging for pulled over 180,000 views, and she's still early. That's what makes this the moment. Proven format, wide open audience, and basically one person serving it well. And here's what makes it powerful. This audience actually buys programs, apparel, app subscriptions, memberships. The revenue doesn't have to come from ads alone, and you barely need anything to make it. Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 2 for the visuals, 11 Labs for the voice, CapCut to put it together. Pick the proven format, pick the audience, nobody's serving, and go. Quick pause before we keep going. If you'd like me to do a full deep dive on how to actually start any of these channels, just type the name of the niche in the comments. I'm building my list for upcoming videos from exactly those. And if you want a head start, I've put together a free checklist that walks you through picking and validating your niche before you spend a thing. It's waiting for you, links in the description. Now stay with me because we're only halfway. The next niche takes a format that's quietly winning right now and shows you how to point it at almost anything. After that, one of the most underrated storytelling niches on the entire platform. And number six genuinely shocked me. If you think these first three are wide open, just wait. Let's keep going. Alright, this next one isn't really a niche, it's a format. And it might be the most flexible play on this entire list because once you have it, you can point it at almost anything. Remember Dark Ledger from a couple of niches back, that video on how banks treat you at every level of wealth? That every level structure is exactly what I'm talking about. It's a format. And right now, it's showing up everywhere. The channel doing it best is Master POV. They take that idea and aim it at everything, every rank in the Roman Empire, every level of a SWAT team, every stage of being a scientist. In about 6 months, posting almost every single day, they've climbed past 50,000 subscribers and nearly 7 million total views. And here's the key. It's not about the topic, it's the format. Ladder theory took that same every level structure and pointed it straight at careers. Every level of an underwater welder, a crane operator, a carpenter. In about 4 months, they've grown to nearly 20,000 subscribers and almost 2 million views. Same format, completely different topic, and it's working just as well. That's why this one's special. You're not betting on a single subject, you're learning a repeatable format. You can bend onto whatever you want, and if one topic doesn't land, you just point the same format at the next one. To make it, Notebook LM or Claude to research each level, Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 2 for the visuals, Kling 3 or Seedance 2 to bring them to life, 11 Labs for the voice, CapCut to assemble. Pick the format first, the topic second. Now, this next one might be the most underrated storytelling niche on the whole platform because most people hear it and picture something boring. History, stay with me, because the history channels blowing up right now aren't doing dusty textbook lectures. They found a different angle, the forgotten story, the one soldier, the one battle, the one person nobody ever wrote about. Look at Agent Flappy, a bald eagle character covering American history. In just over a year, they've built 116,000 subscribers and over 19 million views with multiple sponsors, and one video on how every US president died pulled 6.8 million on its own. That's the ceiling here, and it's high. But here's what should get you excited. Look how fast new channels are breaking in. Ravelin started about 6 weeks ago telling forgotten military history. 15 videos in, they're already near 1.5 million views, with one at 824,000. And WB2 Dossier launched around 7 weeks ago, posting a true story every single day, pulled from real archives, and they're already at almost 2 million views. The angle is everything. Nobody wants a Wikipedia summary. They want the one human story nobody told. The nurse who saved 200 men under fire and never got her name written down. And the part that used to make this niche impossible, the research, is exactly what AI handles now. No history degree required. To make it, Notebook LM or Claude to dig up the story, Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 2 for the visuals, Kling 3 or Seedance 2 to bring the scenes to life, 11 Labs for the voice, CapCut to assemble. Now those are 5 strong niches. Any one of Bombami could build your real channel, but I saved the best for last. Niche number 6 is the one that genuinely shocked me, the most wide open opportunity on this whole list. Once you see it, you'll understand why I almost kept it to myself. Let me show you. Okay, niche number 6, the one I almost didn't include, not because it doesn't work, but because it works so well I wanted to keep it for myself. It's what I call hidden science explainers, not lab coat, textbook science, the weird can't look away questions everyone secretly wonders about. When did ancient humans start smoking? Why are animals scared of us? What happened to the other human species? Simple stick figure animations answering the questions that live rent-free in your head. And the channel that genuinely shocked me is Mac. Look at these numbers because I had to double check them myself. Mac started on May 21st, that is 1 month ago. In a single month with 18 videos, this channel pulled 3.5 million views and nearly 30,000 subscribers. And one video on when ancient humans started smoking did over 1 million views by itself, 1 month. And before you think that's a fluke, it's not. Whatley is doing the exact same strange science storytelling, launched about 7 weeks ago, and they're already past 2 million views with a 900,000 view hit of their own. 2 channels, same format, both exploding within weeks of starting. And here's proof it lasts. Quanta has been doing this simple animated science style for about a year now, sitting at over 3.4 million views. The format doesn't burn out. It compounds. This is why, out of all 6, this is the one I'd start today. It checks every box. The topics are evergreen. A video about the human brain works just as well in 3 years. The production is the cheapest on this whole list. Simple stick figure animation. It's completely demonetization proof because it's pure curiosity and education, and the audience is endless because everyone is curious about how their mind, their body, and their world actually work. To make it, ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek to research the question and write the story Nano Banana Pro or GPT Image 2 for the doodle visuals, 11 Labs for the voice, CapCut to assemble. That's the whole stack. This is the niche I'd bet on if I were starting from zero tomorrow. So those are the 6 faceless AI niches I'd be watching right now. 6 different audiences, 6 different formats. But every one of them comes back to the same idea. You don't need to invent something brand new. You take a format that's already proven and point it somewhere nobody else has. But before you start one, here's the part most people skip: how to do this the right way. So YouTube keeps you around for the long run. Always lead with value. The channels that last aren't chasing a quick spike, they're genuinely teaching or telling a story worth someone's time. Give first, and the algorithm rewards you for it. Don't just publish and hope. Watch your videos back, check your retention, and adjust. Every script a little sharper than the last. And don't be a copycat. Taking a proven format is smart. Cloning someone's exact channel is not. Take the format and make something new with it. That's the whole game. One last thing, if you can, use your own voice. Nothing is more authentic than you, but if you'd rather stay fully faceless, that's completely fine. Just make sure your AI voice sounds natural and real, not robotic. People can tell the difference, and it matters. Picking the niche is step one. Actually building the channel, the angle, the first videos, the system that turns viewers into a real audience. That's what we work through together inside Accelerate. If you're serious about starting one of these, that's where I'd go next. Link is in the description. And if you wanted to see exactly how to build a video in one of these niches from scratch, the full workflow, start to finish, watch this next. I'll see you there.